The truth about where the real easy money is. Real money that wants to be in your bank account. Even if you're a 100% newbie with zero skills, they don't want you to know about it because this opportunity is creating so much wealth for them even as I speak. We're talking millions of dollars being siphoned from it into their bank accounts. Money being siphoned every single day. And the strange thing is, it's way closer than you'd ever think. In fact, it's so close you could almost touch it. And its potential is unlimited. Take a look at this. ClickBank, that's $5,743.27 in just 43 hours, all courtesy of Cash Creator number 14. Amazon, $29,296.63 in just 30 days, thanks to my Cash Creator number 23. PayPal, $37,493.64 in another 30 days, courtesy of Cash Creator number 17. There is no end to its power. But it's important to realize that along with power comes great responsibility, great wealth, instant success. So, if you're uneasy with the idea of making this kind of money, if you're afraid to swipe cash from millionaire super affiliates, this is not for you. Go back to what you were doing before, to your hunky-dory life in La La Land. Go back to your comfort zone. Wait for next week's guru offer to come along. That won't work again. On the other hand, if you've got the guts, it's time to draw a line in the sand. Time to break the mold. Turn off your Facebook. Turn off your phone and just listen. Brace yourself for the power of what you are about to witness. Let me prove how close you are. Right now, you're trapped in your so-called comfort zone. You're thinking, it's never going to happen for me. I've been there. So imagine how it would feel to have super affiliate paydays hitting your bank account, simply by activating my point-and-click technology. You know, super rich super affiliates really do exist. You're not sure who they are, where they live. You're not sure where they hang out. And above all, the best you can ever do is second guess how they really do it, only to miss the mark by a country mile. Fact is, these guys have an unfair advantage. They use a tool that activates in just 3 minutes, a tool that activates a series of viral cash creators that instantly seek out the estimated 17 billion in unclaimed cash scattered across the net. Unclaimed cash that you deserve in your bank account. So imagine having software that triggers your very own cash creators on complete autopilot from the very source super affiliates keep hidden from view. Now, compare that to where you are today. Your daily routine, working for a boss you despise, building your 200th website to make 79 cents, writing stupid articles that bomb so far down Google only the Hubble telescope can find them. While you're doing that, these guys, they're laughing all the way to the bank, partying with strippers, playing golf, drinking sex on the beach. On the beach. While they're doing all that really cool stuff, their laptops are in some 6-star hotel suite plugged into the $17 billion cash vault. I know, because I clicked the button. I went from being the same as you to being the new me. And I like the new me. So here's a quick reminder why you're here. Yep. That's $37,493.64 in just 30 days using Cash Creator number 17.